So good morning everyone, this is a follow along abs workout and right now I am at this beautiful place, the Udaya Resort Ubud, and we are shooting nearby the pool. So this is a follow along abs workout, so get ready to start the workout with me.
Till you find your way back home.
There are 4 exercises back to back, okay? 30 seconds each exercise and then 10-second rest between the exercises. It's a full circuit. The first exercise is Russian twist. Just bend your knees, keep your chest high up and just twist. Little twist, exhale. So let's start the workout. 30 seconds. Let's go. Keep going, keep going. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, 10-second rest and then we'll move to the other exercise, which is explosive sit-ups. The exercise is basically you roll yourself up explosive and then you go slow down. Explosive and slow down. Okay, so let's start. 30 seconds. Squeeze the abs when you go up, squeeze, feel them and slow down. Squeeze, exhale, squeeze and slow down. Keep doing it. 3, 2, 1. That's done. The other one is, which is called plank side rotation. So this is how it looks like on the plank, this way, and go up, squeeze the abs and slow down. Inhale and squeeze and slow down. Okay, so let's start. 30 seconds. You can feel the abs. Last 3, last 2, and last 1. Okay, so we are done. 10-second rest again. The other exercise is basically shoulder taps. It's a simple one. On the push-up position, basically this push-up position, just tap your shoulder this way, alternate. Make sure your core is tight. Okay, don't rotate yourself. Keep it tight, hands tight. Let's go. 30 seconds. So this was a workout. Subscribe if you are new because there are more informational videos coming up, and if you are old subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing, and share this video if you find it useful. And all these exercises are a part of Real Mass program, so if you want to enroll, if you want to get access direct support from me, then visit themoltrain.com and enroll right now.